praiseworthy, praiseworthy. Something or someone that deserves praise. The boy has done praiseworthy work of planting trees on his birthday. Honesty is the most praiseworthy quality one can possess. How? How? To throw something with force. He hurled the stone into the water. They hurled snowballs at each other. Obtain, obtain. To get, acquire, or secure something. He obtained his driving license last week. He obtained a new book from the library. Astounding, astounding. Something which is extraordinarily superb. It was an astounding performance. The concert was an astounding success. Bitter, bitter. The medicine is too bitter for me to drink. If it's bitter, I don't want to drink it. Vanish, vanish. The man vanished into the mist. The stain vanished after I washed the dress. Jolly, jolly. Happy and cheerful. Ram has always been jolly. She looks so sad, see if you can jolly her along a bit. Quarrel, quarrel. To an argument or a disagreement. Please don't quarrel in the classroom. Timmy and Bobby are quarreling over a toy. Obliged, obliged. To be thankful to someone who has helped you. I am very obliged to you for granting me leave. I felt obliged to ask them to dinner. Stoop, stoop. To bend forward and downward. He stooped to pick up the fallen book. She stooped down to hug the child. Compassionate, compassionate. Kind. He is very compassionate man. She has a wise, compassionate face. Glutton, glutton. Someone who eats and drinks a lot. He ate the whole cake. He is a glutton. Don't be a glutton, Save some cake for others. Leisure. Leisure. To free time. What do you do in your leisure time? I enjoy reading books in my leisure time. Ignited. Ignited. To be kindled to do something, a burning desire to do something. Gautam Buddha ignited his mind by doing penance. The blast was caused by pockets of methane gas that ignited. Mute. Mute. To silence or reduce the volume of sound. Please mute your phone during the movie. He muted the television because it was too loud. Slothful. Slothful. Disinclined to work or exertion. He was not slothful, he had been busy all night. Let a man who does not wish to become slothful fall in love. Dwarf. Dwarf. Short. The dwarf stood on a small stool. He planted a dwarf tree in the pot. Immersed. Immersed. To be lost in something. He is deeply immersed in reading the book which he bought yesterday. She immersed her dirty clothes in soapy water. Occur. Occur. To happen or take place, often unexpectedly. The accident occurred yesterday morning. When did the earthquake occur? Perspire. Perspire. To sweat. He started perspiring after running for 500 meters. She felt hot and awkward and started to perspire. Anguish. Anguish. Extreme mental distress. The anguish was so great that it turned into madness. Physical disability causes mental anguish.